You are going to love the 2017 Cruze. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, child safety locks, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, power windows. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.